10th students, I am science miss. Next you learn the structure of mitochondria. This is the structure of mitochondria. First, about the mitochondria. The mitochondria are organelle within eukaryotic cell. You know the eukaryotic cell. What is eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cell means in the nucleus is covered by a separate nuclear membrane, is called as eukaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell means, for example, bacteria and cyanobacteria. In this cell, the nucleus is not covered by a definite nuclear membrane. The nuclear organelles are look like a dense molecules. Here, the nucleus is not covered by a definite nuclear membrane, but in the mitochondria, mostly present in the eukaryotic cells. The mitochondria produces the adenosine triphosphate. நம்ம போட்டு இதில் பார்த்தோம் ATP means adenosine triphosphate, which form the energy currency of the cell. For the reason the mitochondria is referred as a powerhouse of the cell, because this is produces the ATP. Mitochondria is very in size. There are different in size, 0.5 mu micron to 2.0 mu micron. Mitochondria contain 60 to 70% of protein, 25 to 30% of lipids, 5 to 7% of RNA, and small amount of DNA and minerals. Next, the structure of mitochondria. The mitochondria is covered by a double membrane. This is the outer membrane, this is the inner membrane. The inner membrane, the outer membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, the outer mitochondrial membrane is a smooth and freely permeable, not a semi-permeable, that is freely permeable. Mostly it's a small molecules, it's having enzymes, proteins, lipids, has porine molecules, form of channel to passage of molecules through it. The enzymes எல்லாம் இந்த இதுக்குள்ள உள்ள வரும். Next, inner membrane. Inner membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Outer membrane is a permeable membrane. Inner membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. It regulates the passage of materials into out of mitochondria. It is rich in proteins and lipids. Next, inner membrane. Inner membrane la பார்த்தோம் அப்படினம்னா the inner mitochondrial membranes gives rise to finger-like projection, that is called as cristae. It's having a finger-like projection. It is called cristae. This cristae increases inner surface of area. This cristae increases the inner surface area. Next, axisome. The inner mitochondrial membrane bears minute, regularly spaced tennis racket shaped particles. These particles, the F1 particles. These particles are presenting in the axisome. They involve in ATP synthesis. The mitochondria store the ATP. These F1 particles synthesis the ATP. That's very important. Next, mitochondrial matrix, the space, that is mitochondrial matrix. It is complex mixture of proteins and lipids. Matrix contain enzymes. For Krebs cycle, mitochondria ribosomes 70S. These are presenting in the mitochondrial DNA. Next, functions of mitochondria. The mitochondria is main organelle of cell respiration. They produce a large number of ATP molecules, so they are called as powerhouse of the cell or ATP factory of the cell. It helps the cells to maintain normal concentration of calcium ions. It regulates the metabolic activity of the cell. That's all the mitochondria.